I welcome you all on the coolest shopping world of Kango store. Guys, as you know, summers are standing outside your door. So, are you excited to enjoy the hot, scorching summers or you wanted to escape from the summers? If you wanted to escape from the summers, then this website will going to help you out. So, explore the site. Guys, I wanted to tell you this is not my website. I am just here to review and analyze the actual side of the website. My cargo reviews will assist you in making your purchase decision. And surely you're going to get to know whether the site is a legit or a scam. So guys, let's start with my review section. Guys, as you can see, the homepage is quite beautiful. It has all the featured collection available like metal frame pool set. Featured products are also there, prism frame pool set, and there are so many products available in which you can enjoy with your family. The pools are quite beautiful. After this, guys, we're going to see the About Us section of the website. In About Us, you're going to get every bit of information about the quality, quantity, and affordable products available on the website. They sell the ground pools, spas, toys, furniture, boats, and more. Their objective is to deliver the highest quality product at an affordable price with designer, comfort, safety, and fun. Their vision is to trust the innovation company industry. They're committed to deliver best customer satisfaction. Guys, next is Contact Us section. In Contact Us, you can easily get in touch with them through the email that is support@oxborder.com. If you have any problem, you can just mail them. Guys, afterwards, there is a refund policy. Guys, if you're finding any difficulties in your product, you can easily return them within 90 days and you can easily get the refund. You can track your order also. If you have any problem in the product, you can mail them also. There are written policy given over here. You can check it out. Guys, next is privacy policy. As you know, every website has its own privacy policy. So the privacy policy says that it applies to those US websites that display or link to this policy. They consent to collection and processing. What information do they collect? The personal information, and there are so much things available. You can easily explore the information and then take your buying decision. The payment term is also given. The email is given. You can easily write the mail. You can pay the website amount of purchases through Visa, American Express, MasterCard, Discover, and PayPal. Guys, in my opinion, the website seems to be a legit one because it has all the information, details on the website, that is about the privacy policy, terms of service, contact us section. Even the main thing is that the website details are available on Twitter, on Facebook, and Pinterest. So they have a good social media exposure. They are available on any social media platform. Plus, guys, the Google and the customer reviews of the website are quite good. So guys, in my opinion, you can easily shop from the website. Still guys, your reviews and your comments decide the legitimacy of the website. So do share your experience, do comment. It can be positive or negative as per your purchases, but do comment. And guys, if you like the information which we have given, do like this like button. Do subscribe our channel if you wanted to have such good information in future. And plus guys, write the reviews as depend on your purchases. And thank you so much for being so patient and listening to our reviews. Before signing off, I'll give the best suggestion that recommend that website to your dear ones, which is authorized and which is legit. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.